Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how you can recover deleted apps on Android phone or tablet. Before we get started, make sure to check your internet connection and also make sure to watch the video till the end. Just a reminder, make sure to use the same email address as you've used while deleting the application. Only then you'll be able to restore or recover your deleted apps on your device. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Play Store application. As you open up your Play Store application, in the top right corner you can see a profile icon. Tap on it. As you tap on it, there's a drop down menu, so from there you'll have to tap on manage apps and device. On the other page you have the overall information. Right on top there's overview, and just next to it there is manage, so then select on it. And these are all the application that is installed in your device. So what you have to do is, in order to look for deleted apps or in order to recover it, tap on install in the top left corner. As you tap on it, right at the bottom there is a pop-up, so from here you'll have to tap on not installed. So are all the installed applications. So right now these are all deleted applications. So then in order to recover it, all you have to do is mark on the box. In the top right corner there is an arrow icon, so then tap on it. As you tap on it, right over here you can see that this application is being installed, and that is how you can recover your deleted application on Android phone or tablet. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.